Okay, let's tackle today's questions. The first one, okay, before I get into them, these questions are more or less the same. They need the same thing, and it's there on the video on pips. It's all about calculation. It's all about calculation. But then, anyway, let's tackle them. The first question is there a formula used to calculate the point in brackets when trading news? Well, there is a formula used for calculating points, even if it's not trading news, even in technicals. We use the same formula. It's there on the videos which we uploaded. We showed how to calculate price when it's in pips and also when it's in points, so you can go and check there. The second question is, how can I input a signal, example sell USD CAD, stop loss of 30 pips and take profit minimum of 60 pips? Okay, you mean calculating? It's also there. It's calculation of pips and points, but then I'll just do an example. So for the second question, let's take this example. You were told to sell USD CAD, or you received a signal to sell USD CAD. So what happens when you sell is that you will be given a price. Let's just take a price of 1.6040. So let's just use this example. Let's just say the price is in pips, because okay, in points it will be, let's just say 1.604300. That's in points. This is pips, and this is in points. So if you are given a stop loss of 30 pips, in points it will be 300 points, and a take profit of 60 pips, in points it will be 600 points. So to this price, this is your selling price for the pair for the pair USD CAD. You were told to sell, then when the moment you sold, this is the price which you sold at. So for your stop loss, that means remember, with a sell, it means that you are predicting that the market will go down. In order for you to profit, price has to go down. So if it goes up, that means you'll be losing. So that means your stop loss, as you can also hear it, stop loss, it stops you from suffering further loss. So you set it at a price which, when the market reaches, it will automatically close your order with a certain amount of loss, so that you don't encounter, whatever the word is, further losses. I hope it makes sense. So in this case, since when you sell, you predict that the market will go down or price will go down, so that means your stop loss will be above your entry price. So since it's 1.6040 in pips, so your stop loss of 30 pips, it means you're going to add 30 pips to this price. You're going to add 30 pips to this price. So the price will be 1.6 plus 30 pips. So that means your SL price will be at 1.60. You add 30 pips, 70. So in points, your SL, the price will be 1. That means you'll be adding 300 points. Remember, 30 pips is 300 points. 60700. Then we come to your TP. It's a sell, right? So when it's a sell, it means that your profit will be when price goes down or when price drops. So as price goes down from your entry price, that means that you'll start seeing profit. So your take profit will be below. Your take profit will be below your entry price. So right now, that means from this price, since this is your entry price, we will subtract or we will deduct pips and also points in order to set your price for take profit. So we are given a minimum of 60 pips as your take profit. So you will deduct 60 pips from this price and deduct that 600 points from this price. So your TP or your take profit will be 1, you'll deduct 60, will be 1 point, that's 5980, if I'm not mistaken. Then in points it will be 1.6, no, sorry, 59800. That's how you do it. You can also go to the video, forgot which lesson it was, I think it's 2, where we dealt with pips. You'll find how we calculate pips and also points. So that's it.